So I know you have a little sister and a little brother.
Mm-hmm.
What would you want them to understand about change? Now, or 20 years from now, what would you want to tell them about what you know about change? Or,
About change.
yes, let's say, like 15 years from now, when they're where they are, where you are.
Mm-hmm. What would I say to them?
About change?
15 years from now or now?
Yeah, no, either way, both things. But I'm particularly thinking 15 years from now. What would you say to them about change when they're where you are in their life?
So I'm a little confused. So I wouldn't know what I would say 15 years from now.
Right.
Because I haven't changed.
Right.
But knowing what I know
now, yes.
and telling them 15 years from now, sharing with them what I think of as change, I would say that it occurs and it's sometimes hard, sometimes painful, sometimes awesome, sometimes great, and it's the change that in the way that you deal with change in your life that makes you who you are, and it's the beauty of life. It's simple, complicated, crazy, and everyone, has a story about it. And none of the stories are the same.
That's right. I've listened 94 times, and I'll tell you they're all good. And they're all the same, all both things.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, it seems to me that in general, about your own life, and, and your community, and that you're feeling optimistic. Is that so?
Oh, of course.
Yes.
I think it's going to be okay.
At all levels.
I think it's fun.
You've been watching trees, haven't you?
Yeah. I guess so.
You got some pretty good teachers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great thing is they don't talk back either.
Well, not with words anyway.
Not with words.
Yeah.
Not with words.
Yeah.
I find peace in that.
Yes, I believe that.
Sometimes the best thing is to say nothing. So.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Any other thoughts about this before?
Not
Because
right
you can
now.
always tell me more.
Okay.